You slept 8 hours. You're not sick, but you sit down to work and your brain simply won't cooperate. No focus, no concentration, just a kind of heavy mental fog. There's a name for this, and it's not laziness. It's called directed attention fatigue, and it's one of the most common and least understood causes of mental exhaustion in modern life. Your brain has two attention systems. Directed attention is the effortful kind, the focused, deliberate concentration you use to work, make decisions, filter distractions, and resist impulses. It's controlled, conscious, and it requires real mental energy to run. Here's the key insight. Directed attention works by actively suppressing distractions. Your brain has to constantly block out everything competing for your focus. Noise, notifications, stray thoughts, and that suppression is the tiring part. The more you push through, the more the system depletes. The problem is that most rest doesn't actually restore this system. Scrolling your phone, watching TV, browsing social media, these still demand directed attention to suppress other inputs. You're resting your body but still depleting your focus. Psychologists Rachel and Stephen Kaplan identified why nature specifically helps. They called it attention restoration theory. Natural environments offer something called soft fascination, a gentle, effortless engagement that holds your attention without requiring suppression. Your directed attention system finally gets to switch off. So what actually restores directed attention? Three things work best: time in nature, even a short walk in a park, genuinely undemanding environments, quiet spaces away from screens and decisions, and spacing out your deep focus work, not powering through for hours at a stretch. Small, consistent breaks beat long recoveries every time. Directed attention fatigue isn't a character flaw. It's a biological limit. Work with it, protect your attention, restore it properly, and you'll find that focus isn't actually the problem. The system just needs the right kind of rest.